Good morning, my secretary from PT Raja Wali. May I help you?
Good morning, Siskri from PT Pesona KANI. Speak to your leader.
I'm sorry, my leader is not available at the moment. Do you have a message to convey?
I will like to confirm the presence of your leader in a meeting on Tuesday, January 16 to 2024.
I'm sorry, my leader. Can you add the meeting because he is still on a business trip for the next few days? Is there anything else you want to ask?
No, thank you. Good morning.
Alright, you're welcome. Good morning.